Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining a clear goal and preparing minimal assets so you can start fast. Sign into Google AI Studio, create a project, and pick 1080p and 16:9 so distribution stays simple. Next, upload your script, voice file, and any images. This reduces back and forth later. Once done, select the video model and set frame rate to 24 FPS. This balances smooth motion and file size. Make sure to name scenes logically so you can iterate quickly. Now you create scenes and convert lines into actionable prompts so the model knows what to generate. Write short, explicit prompts that include style, color palette, and focal objects. This improves fidelity. Import clips and images, then place them on the timeline and align them with your audio track. Use transitions sparingly and preview after each tweak. When a scene feels off, adjust prompt weight or replace the asset. Once a scene locks, duplicate similar scenes to save time. Finish by exporting with the right codec and bitrate for your platform so playback is reliable. Review captions and audio levels and confirm licenses for any generated assets. This avoids content takedowns. If you need smaller files, reduce bitrate or scale to 720p, but test quality first. One key troubleshooting tip: if artifacts or strange motion appear, re-render only the affected scenes, simplify the prompt, and lower model complexity. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.